Mutegeri wa Meru TV ni weekendi irari na manto kathumba. Weekendi hizi ndene county namba 10 ni county ya Meru. Itwithire tukionaga atongeria bagi siasa bakiomba gukinya ndene ya county hizi. Uria wari munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua nombere kwithirwa akiambiria ndionga yawe amona nkiama bagikundi kia DCP araba ombere kwithirwa bagitonya ntere mwanya cha county ya Meru. Nyumene rais wa mugongo kana mutongire wa mugongo tawe Daktari William Ruto amona munini wa Professor Kithure Kindiki ne bombere kinyabo kinyantu kwa Jumamosi ndene county ya Meru aria bari ageni bagiteo ndene ya kigomano kya arimi beria kira kyari kigomano gya 10 kira kyari nara ntere chia gitoro atongere baba bonde ibombe takoza bakiariria mantu jama neje gi siasa bonde bakionekana kumena ni iria kinyandene ya kigomano giki itwananire kana itwathikirire uge bwa governor wa county ya Meru Mutumanto Ithinkia itwanire kinya gukinya kore wari governor wa Kabere Kawira Mwangaza na nkuruki mantu jange kathumba ntuku ya ntariki 25 igekundi kya Gen Z kana Kenya ibonekene kwithira bakibangania kinya maandamano jange jara jakethero jakikungwira mwaka jomwe nyuma ya maandamano ja mwaka muthiru jara jari maandamano jakuregana na finance bill ya mwaka ja 2024 jaja na jange ja mingi mutegero Meru TV tukethero tukicha thujaga kujategera na nkuruki kujategera na jira enda ja ndene mubango jwetu joturingeme karibu sana oni beto Dennis mutuma muthomi na turi na muthuji wa gisiasa orea noe motari wa mantu jegie mwiti na mbere kana maendeleo na nkuruki tumwita kana economist nkuruki na director mutongero wa gikundi kia mbeu mbithi kana patron ndene ya county ya Meru tukatha tuthujaga na watu erese mantu arigwo gukariata what is happening in Meru County, what is happening in our country Kenya na moso ligwa ground ikariata mbere ya maandamano jaza kubanganwa nigikundi kia Gen Z. Karibu sana Eriko.
Ibaga muno bwana Dennis. Ibaga muno ntombomba kumba mokiraja Meru TV. Na mbere yetu ambiamba mbembe kirera mbirambi chakwa kire fraternity on the Meru TV na FM. Na ntobagotigwa kwa mutangazaji Mwenda chamba Mwenda chamba mtumbije muno na weekend yo hije to kureke kumuluz poleni sana na ima period hije weekend hije itwetherete twena gachagache nyingi muno ya kisiasa DCP barare koko twethera kaire twena President William Ruto na Kindiki bareta chacha mwenje ene mono ya kisiasa ndene Meru kwerekana ndene Meru kwa na opposition na serikali ende mantu jara umire
yes
nontu Mumeru na konya na akenda change itonete bumirete mono kireme chamanyo Gachagua natona kwena very cold reception President Ruto na ntonto bana wirigiro bona ne mono ke thirikari nantu bayirigirite kuona thirikari ekusema na kutenda nikino ntokona anto bakimba kwa whipped rais mono na bado tukiona anto batige bakenda mono kukamatwa mpwe kila tuije na thirikari William Ruto etumbete ku deliver the expectations yantu ende nyakere tukwetekaniria mantu ja one time kana mantu ja tutebati kujokuwa na kiama kimwe turinga mantu ja michibi iratugaga UDA no yejere home Jubilee ejo home na biama bingi au kanyuma na kwa urande na kino turande tukiarire mantu jau na context Gen Z na anniversary era edere tukiarika June 25th ikuga atochokie memory ya aturi kethera after 1 year thirikari iji face road protest kethera ni umbete ku take lessons kethera ni umbete kuashua ndukembethe na general Kenyan population that kuna lessons nabagike Kenya mbere.
Right. Bwana Eriko, the last time tukiaria irio gikundi kana irio kiama kia DCP kiajite Meru, and I remember your words waugire bia mabikeja na nchanchamo na uga Meru batibatera kwethirwa bagita kagira nchanchamo iji and all that. Gashago beja Meru badala bakithiro kaka different parts kuma Friday, Saturday na Sunday. Bamakada bakithiro kaka different parts tia county ya Meru. Kiro yako ne kiki nyuma ya ndio ngezi onde ugwe muthoji no kuona taka DCP orabarezete bari na muoroto kana bena ya gutethia mukenya wa kawaida kana yatongeria still to utongeria buranto butugwe self interest no kwa tabena muoroto za gutethia Meru orabaruga
kira kiutoma Meru bomira na wingi I clarioneshe wito one term na chacha mochonde cheja na gitumi kinya chacha moyingi cheje ta Mount Kenya antu chikwethora che anti Raila Odinga na da Raila Odinga we na William Ruto ko chacha mo one term na galip ne komba kojokia ne kopik Meru na inya mono ende tiga au kire one term ara Meru ara enda mono mtura mbogo tethia kenda tuita William Ruto otekingi ekira ndo tukuga aure turamo nabo kedere manto ja non twende geteke William Ruto geteke mwe.
All right.
William Ruto to governor, William Ruto to senator, to MCA, to women rep. Ekira ndo tukuga kiraga tethia Mumeru itoga itokwenda gwita William Ruto ino tukwenda ino ka president na kina ndo kiuria kira tukuria ne ndo barabaretete DCP kana vigogo birabiretete DCP ne ndo barari thirikari ne ndo ba William Ruto ne ndo ne ndo barari twanyene tutu nene twa thirikari na ende Kenya bainyairwe William Ruto statement nyingi mwana chumete bo bagetetera William Ruto monkantu kwera bo ngwa baonere ororuba William Ruto.
Right.
Ende kwethira bagatetera ko mobilize isa sawa ende tumenyere ino wangwa tuka replace William Ruto no.
All right.
Na wetu mochunke are mutongeria ndo tutita kena emotion lazima kwethira kwena re choice choices irio na ndo baba ngeba declare bakenda kwa president tamba kwa tatu tikaniritie ora tutakwenda ende lazima na ande tuchoke kairi madogani one tuchonkone na to identify.
All right.
Kinyamirwa
Okay.
Ere tukuria tugatethwa iturie candidates bari ko bari atete kitibya MCA itibya governor na biu bingi nanto ande anto itonera bakiumbo thuka betete ku nanto bawe kira jensi nanto kembethe rungamirite munkathai ya ideology partiless tukathuja o gite rĩrĩ gitira madoa turenda kwithira kwina antu mwanya kuringana na kiria baricita ku offer on the table.
All right. Okay. Mbere tena mbere kuna mtu kuga good morning ni Mugira from Kiambu, salimia sana huyo kiongozi. Aruga RIP to Mwenda. Thank you so much, Mugera. Aruga Rikiamu, baga sana. Good morning. Kiti ya uongozi. Kiti ya uongozi ni kiti ambayo inaleta maendeleo. Kuteno kuidhagirwa kuri na weti na mbere kama kiongozi yuko kwa serikali. So kama Wameru tunahitaji kukaa kwa serikali. Hata mbere liturako, lakini thank you so much. Eriko Gatege rakiri ndionga ya the former deputy president. Ito wanere yu oroba wachindana na waketekia mujumbe North Imenti, Madam CK, na ririna ameneri yapu nene mujumbe wa North Imenti kakita na kaka Rahim Daud. Pengine, I don't know, on your part, are you boarding on that? Kira jonde, ugere na tarire uga kote weti nambere, kotengo kedre tu ikendra North Imenti, mujumbe hadire tu inyate kwaria, na a lot of mantuja mingi kire mwingi, kira reke public. Na edru akiran tu bamunengera kanya kagutongeria North Imenti. Ogwe uri umo bara bware ndebene na CK kire geteke mujumbe North Imenti. What can you say about that? Watu
tuende twathomba giteke mubunge North Imenti. Twari na muriko shumwe. Nonti twatekete twana ora wagitine. Rahim Daud. Mtoto mbete kinyawa yatwere gukuruka na Waves. Kutonya na Waves chabiama. Na kwethera na ku capitalize. Na kwethera North Imenti economic segments chetu chiwete. I introduce ya sacha kuringa laini na kwa antu mbecha. Kuma wote gitu kingaithagia na weta mathiko. Kwa sentiments uno chongosha na Karo Muriuki. Na ikio twinde baratoromba gitaja North Imenti tukugwatanira na bu. Na the choices nto ba North Imenti bakwewa. Nonto tugite kanere utukuga one time Kasongo. Kwa yange tugite kaniria that itime ko end term ya Rahim Daud. Na tukagwatanira ande atukumira kire antu ketanto bathoja bonare kireni na Karo Muriukire no kubwa na kira ndo tukuga no democratic space. Ino kaomba ku deliver more tangible development. Nto Karo kinyawa ntije na harari na ndia chokerete na murumo yo DCP na manze jo tutakwenda anto baeta bakara Nairobi baiwa murumo jora jwishite alafu barumaju jo akuge ja uma endo te ground harari on to ground na anto babethi to ground na manze ja koja sana to ground kinyato keria guchenja utongeria bwa Kawira Mwangaza baba mama kana narabetera kwa naraba gatonyera ande au akinonte gwitikana na Karo mantu jo gugiteja uma enda kareta murumo kenda muchumbe North Imenti
right
muchumbe North Imenti enda mtoro kwelewa ara kiratu kikuruma mto North Imenti kauma
right ntokombera haja msisau Florence Kajuju alivaa uniform of the weekend aruga ni joy kumaki kumene right sawa aruga tokorua Florence Kajuju na recruit uniform over the weekend eta nambera na gontomera message cha kumotagera Umeru TV ndene mabango joto ringeme ngathangi tagaira gintu kira kionde kira Umeru over the weekend na kira kwenda kidogo tuthatukikizo na gukiariria ndene account ya Meru ithiro gintu maira yo ndene Facebook ndene SMS nkithiro nkithomaga chionde turi na Eriko kana Eric nikana tukamenya the way forward kire mambara jarari Meru Dairy jari biberia itonere jajara na rais William Ruto urare governor Kawira Mwangaza na ombere kinya wiki nyantere iji na itukona kinya kwina video kuonekana takara aragira iro gutonya but still edro agitonya governor Meru kagitana kaka mutomato ithinkia ake speech ye no ombere ku recognize na uga my former boss former governor Kawira Mwangaza no kira pengine itagarere uria mutuma twithinge no people antu ibakugera kwari in different ways o what educate ata mutuma twithinge ku recognizing that manner Kawira Mwangaza
mbere Kawira Mwangaza resident of Meru County.
Alright.
Na jora ari muchamano jo arim. Kawira na retera emurim. Emurim yone ne mono area. Ako urore thogane kurigire Kawira Mwangaza. Utonya muchamano jo arimi makosa ya manene. Akaire decision Governor Meru mutuma to think ya recognize Kawira he sign maturity. Na narona nyirie atena odho na ige na ora nominated kwa deputy governor kendarande after impeachment mutuma governor ko nitagariri rega na ko congratulate governor mutuma to thinkia na no sign yo mantejara Kawira remero kuthithia Kawira remo nya kuri recognize deputy we ande na konywa ate ntuko no ekinya ande onyora abati kuthithirira are governor ko Kawira to na thinanwe
all right
kira to era thinanwe ni style wa leadership na konywa style in real time
Meru ka city no kona ta kona well Meru become a city
eventually Meru ka city onto Urban and Cities Act nirekanete kwanyanya matagare jara ndegoro mba kuthithia kuma kwa urban center kwa town kwa municipality na kuma municipality kwa city ende twena a journey to take onto kwa city temanto mochero kwa city ngwetekia population a city of watu population of 1 million.
Right.
Kwa provisions ile okay Urban and Cities Act can charter ile kaniro. Jora ile municipality. But with around 250 population. Space kwa mancha but kwa kidetwe. So kedera Meru ne kwa city thirikari Meru kana municipality Meru ne bat kwekera infrastructural development nyingi na mantuja mengi.
All right.
In the month possible.
Okay. Tukebara kidogo kile mantuja county Meru Erika kile mantuja naja gweta nambere ndene ndeguru ya Kenya. Ntukwe mwa kitigere mbere ya maandamano jaraja kwerekana nija bangiza akenya kana jenzi aja ndeguru ne nkwanda tutagera gikundi kije kaneta aipoa gikundi kithagira gikithujaga kuthithio chonkoni bwegi makarika jaria kuthithika ni mabitha ba polisi gikundi gikithiretwo gikionekana gikimuriko for the last many months gweno nto makarika jaja polisi gwita na mbere no twende kwigo uge bwaku before no nto torambithwa ngitaririe mutageri tugethora tena mabitha ba aipoa ntukwe rojo nikana tukamenya what they are doing, what is happening niki maritorere kwithwa kidogo le drago kuntu gutebui. On your part Eric utagerete aipoa, are they really doing gintu kireke gutetheria kiri makarika jana tonja gweta nambera za Kenya?
Well, aipoa ekiri independent police oversighting authority na ekiri kena tomba kona keoto and area mabitha bas police ara bate achieve bakaidara bate ko achieve fairness.
All right.
Kana justice bomba kwitha bake investigate askari na kenda nonto toka kwa askari ende oni twinde twe ke sheria utiro to take campaign to arike kuna sheria askari akona sheria inoka mumrika inoka identify inoka muthitanga na mantu jaumu but otaka kuma last year to get abductions to get otoneta askari batumire excessive force openete fire na bora ite antu kuma ke Gen Z protest last year anto bori pakweta ngruki anto 65 baraba ije kene ende tiga report BBC tutraona any report poa identify taskari footage zira tuona gacha BBC ichi identify nya face Kenyans na Gen Z bomera na camera na baka tunya social media na baka identify officer na police station right anguke na ikinya kwao na namba cha thimu ende kote report tuona iPod ko iPod is a letdown change ra to kwenda nonto jo nja kinyira askari paketha bakikiraga abakimenyaga by under scrutiny na by under oversight and up to now kinyama ntuja jara karekete jo juan right aipo abare investigate orai anto beta baki investigator police and aipo they have a lot to do by jaro jo bori report ko ba rekirete tona justice and more than 65 young people were in askari justice but onye I culprits bareko ba police bongwa direct ba mbete kwedra ba kiro ampena na under their own prosecution bedro askari ba ba kwedra ba ke aligned in court tona justice
right
and to IPOA is not about a protester it's about officer ora or to make excessive force on an officer
right.
on a protester.
Okay. Arembera, good morning. Salimia sana Eric Elvenu. Oh, okay. Akauga Kalunge from Egembe Central. Muulize kama youths tutatokezea on 25th tunaenda wapi? Right.
Kalunge 25th June ni anniversary and tobabe Gen Z protest lakini to achieve on 25th mbere kurikana fallen young people twarunga mere abo we stood up against this regime and ba kai ba go itu ande so we will go back and remember
right.
Secondly justice ikino ndo to call upon IPOA abitha wonde to identify ito kwenda kuiweka mbari ruguri against those people for justice. Kaire liberation. Nonto it is not yet liberation. Na march ra twaracho we were marching to State House, to march at county commissioners offices. Na kinyatha hai we still call upon young people arabari ba occupy ba umire. We light candles warauri.
Okay.
Na tukagwatanira no to mobilize through social media nka mobilize na ka mobilize
all right
no to already through 25th June no to chacha moire chikumira ke social media na I consciousness era to in the young people to know and by that time tukamenya no to tena tutukua tuna leadership but watu tukomira na njira chetu na waratumba kenda deaths kana bara ikubira biona kanire kana bara to lose it from this movement ite kaidera better oderi na no to clamor for an overhaul in State House atu tutakwenda renovation State House ngeu cost kairi another one of almost $1 billion
890 million
turaenda clean up with mtomo witwa William Samoei Ruto mwasho jo yu akitokwenda kinya State House katheru ata na renovations every year na mbecha
right
teteria
tukana tutanaga kima tu State House baadaye na kinyama tuzauje maandamano lakini thank you kuchokeria mtu witwa Kalunge from Egembe Central. Kuna mtu kuga aritwa Eric Kaberia arimbela following live. Thank you so much Eric Kaberia. Ikwithira ore na batwe live rotere room ore ngategera rotere rungi kwina Right. Ngetha kaka message chonda kenyache WhatsApp kana kenyache Facebook in a few. Tuchokera tukare kwa aipoa Eriko mbere kiu kia mutegerio wetu. Ugere aipoa irambire nyana independent. Do you think aipoa is really independent as we speak? Kana ni kwa swayed in na bambo kana na thirikari in one way or another? Is it really independent? Urotaketa
sheria ni te aipoa tena yonde na independence. Kede the spirit of the law. Aipoa is an independent body. But aipoa makarika jajonde jaumirite ete kwenye independence. Ero nyoni ingi ikuendelea kunyanyasa na kuidha.
Alright.
Uma na kuprotect akora ndene police force. Nanto police force ibati kudura iri nganania. Police force ibati kudura kiretaga security. Police force ibati kudura maintain law and order. Ati kinyaningwa kadho nkime ante above the law. Kadho kima zako chonde jangu dhidi. Kajadide within the law. Okira kionde nkaria gentu gichunkete. Madhidio jako chonde ikenda mbedorande a law abiding citizen. Kenya yeje to amechange ndene misingi ya sheria. Ikira ntukwe na democratic space. Ko kadro oni I can take any decision in terms of freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of association. Dai ojoran chiadurani rete oni ke presidency de amwe baraba kuga one term de na freedom yum nanka medida within the law. Get there to exercise my democratic rights. Indi mkia associate na pangi bara baina misingi wewe ya madhogani. Na kwa untebati kumaja mbaresto kana mburawa. Na kile onto police bati ku protect kana mumba ko wankichi express in that way. Na kile onto article 37 the constitution yetu yugite anto baina freedom of association akinya ku picket. Baki present a memorandum chao na bakiuga uge wao. Tukiete kairo gwithe mantu thiguru igeta mbere. Na tugetera intukwe kura ikaringo na njira uma oroga chinda kateke. But rira askari bakethro nyabo kabaye part. Antobada baki protector twinde. Bo ora okware bodo ku thirikari askari bo ngaba kumugwata. Na kora kwa inontumanto ja ajua nginya ketheja kwa ja kotini. Mtu oraeri in a police station. Alafu tuone aipoa bakarinde na askari aba kuthi investigation amu. Nande batromba kuto batikomba ito kwanya clearly kwena thina.
Alright.
Kwena thina independence wete kwa pronounced word.
Okay. Rembera, good morning Meru TV, good morning to you too. Ako kasalimia sana Eric, naitwa Kagwema. Aspiring MCA Nyaki West. My question is, Eric anakaa kwa upande wa opposition. Muulize, is it okay for the opposition to continue abusing our deputy president by calling him names such as uyo mutu wa soprano? Kekiri urero unakaa mutu wa opposition wewe.
Ande iwa tokuga wa mtu ana right yewe. Kinyawe ana right, enanko respect. Ekeda wena support thirikari. Ana fair right. Oni kire governance. Ere goro national government. Nde na reasons nyingi mbona cha kuidhora ndio mbe support. No ntuto doje takuma last year. Thirikari kuraga dissenting voices.
Alright.
Thirikari eko cage anto no ntoboa kajukao. Those are the bases they support. na support na non support imanto ongoing no tonto bakaraba ke persuade na no to persuasion is ora persuasion is ongoing kitokeza totaria na agwento mba kumenya kethera we mtoto mba ko move together ga totomba ko move together man tujaja to kwariria if the government were able could change no but to persuade to persuade wa kenonto ibo ba thirikari na tutega tukona the kind of uraba gwikira mbecha chetu cha ndiguro ushuru bwetu kire mantu unnecessary jo tukuga another 1 billion kwa karangi ka state house hiyo mbecha sufficient komba ko achieve real change na development na ko kirante support siasa cha Romana na siasa cha Maruma ya kurumana na kwa hiyo tukatunda tu opposition abange bakirumana ka tiko maanisha that opposition is meant to be like that oni otoenda eta mtu teta no na tu mtu mbako kirwa kile same bracket baraba gweta no na mtu kodana base no kodana soprano ri na ko point out tithina kinyani na haru memory yako ate sawa mnyamto gorande mtu studio okay jawi imanto re imanto ja kwa ja identity but atuchurie no rumenere kurumana na b ikethera kwe makosa jari okwe na entities zero cha ethics and ethics the anti-corruption kwa na Asian National Cohesion Commission na institution uchonde chekiri kinatomba kwa tatu decorum kire democratic expression but kwa the opposition ngata the opposition is a right era mtu onde eneo kinyawo kure kure kiu tomba umukashifu kwa na support rikari in that way jatwaranire in terms of objectivity niki o support rikari niki nto support wamba ko convince to support no rikari to rame support indi gata nikinyete to na to kuthiria now 3 years to tigira another 2 years ende imeaka ekwendera gutori mbito kwenda gutwira tukathithia imbatende temechemanio Karen to promise was a community mantaja maingi na deputy president aja otekia je to launch no kinyawe ka kwaria akemena ile bangi nyawe te mwanya ndaju ande ndrikari era tonyere siasa ti delivery.
All right. Mbere tena mbere nkwenda tutagera matujagie maandamano jacha erikiri kuthira jeta 25 but kwena mtu wazo utumite please hii nyingi mono aliuga please Eric Raim kwani alikufanyia nini ama ni tenda alikunyima aliuga Michael Kadhurima from Makutano #Kabaraim ogetum
ekewe Kabaraim anto batrom anto ketekiromba kwa nonto ba ideology ideology kwa jambo bangi maendeleo na economist etetania na ideology handout oni Raim is my friend brand a restaurant leader and the present in the Kenyatta University atwareta muungano jwa atwa aritobo ne barabare ba Kenyatta University ba North Imenti Pameta Kenyatta University North Imenti Student Association. Right. Ningwanda tena na tuata Raim patron mbere Raim amujumbe. Okay. And to that time it was endaka change. Atwa thogane Raim no change era to expect. But Raim akwa mbunge ote leadership ekochokia North Imenti kire economic singi yetu economic development. Joni mbora twari abo bakawa ataga North Imenti ne the only constituency tutomba kuga identity yake uchumi niriko. Otaga town na mugutano jojo biashara nyere nyingi tiuni na ntuba northiment nontu peta dhura na hata batu thithia economic agricultural activity urimi bwathirire tuke expecta raima arithora ai mutongire jaba kambe bere ntombijewe basothiment bara bombere go convert bara abunge anari dairy ere mitungu na ba influence irrigation schemes dai otonga bono ba sothiment bogaiti ibo yankad na urimi bwa marigu notaga many constituencies in Meru atongeria bambishagwa i ore bakareta mantu cyaraga ndera kuguna akari na bongere earnings weta no Meru North Egembe region atongere bara baitho bakereka mantu jamira ora bagaikia mugongo mbere okwata aja northimenti mutongere wetu atomba kureta ko resume kutochoke kire economic thought na kutotetera kithirikari kena tumenya itukuriukia sectors chetira chagwire kira kitoma kira raima na kimono i tokenism.
What do you mean by that?
Tokenism ikurumagia anto ganto kenda ba rita hashtag cheu kijana kiu kegutuma na au akino tuna ideological differences ankwenda umwonya tere tido mena we adopts in his leadership but the leadership we fail it na northiment ni kwenda a new leader, a leader in an economic sense of thought anto bara bamba kwethora baki kede aja kemirero ya Ntune very rich area milk production to strengthen society no to bara rande bara India batukumba kwa India area by societies iba kwenda support tu tentakira tu menyekene na kawa baba na mami bathomithitu na beche cheria cha kawa igakwire kutu kwenda mutongeria ukwerewa ya deja vu yora tugaga utomba ko nya stage boda batomba ko mbijira oni pacha manono to the economist and tena boda ko utwe twature mtoteka kwa mtotare makawa mtotamenya otathia mantu yake ndamenya jau au nio livelihood ya ntobeto eri au lakini ndena mwanya na Rahim Daud.
All right.
We will not relent. We can't kwera tukatona leadership as northiment ere ka reflect identity yetu ya ntoba northiment na ere ka riukia economic segments chetu ntoba to baidra batiringa kura ntoba either handouts kana nto Rahim na jere maombolezi ntote development forum cha Rahim ni ara kwena maombolezi au atiura
Wanago wote weti na mrabongi mko titheka.
Gote development forum Rahim eta. Na kinya dirikare Kenya kwanza eko moko the empowerment forums in constituencies. Constituency nge anto bakerwa intobia weti na mbere.
Okay.
Aja mwenda anto Rahim etera anto aba magana 5 monka kwa gandoa ugoro. Hiyo ni empowerment ira kimadogano cha Rahim Daud. Ona Rahim mwanya joto imafikira.
Right. Thank you gochokeria mutegeri ozo wetu kirekim hogwa mukario no thimenti na no therete nkuruki okirunga magana na kuge na goto kiregete kya mujumbe no thimenti kuri na imwe awadi kana kuna body therete ekithitho gota municipality board kire board yezi tonre governor na rekerie marietwa na jauja manto jamba gotara jaitre marito zaje ndani ya municipality board uwe as a leader na nkurukie mutho jio siasa nyanda ne gishigombuga kana uthimenti. How did you feel about marito jara governor alkereja ja municipality board no tija ran kuchene mara ba kuga Florence kajuju atabatere ko dario na all that. How did you feel about the municipality board in general?
Bere marito jako diretwa enda mbite ko appreciate ndona ne antu bomba buga gukia municipality ara yagiri ena kunkwirire month on the persuasion.
Okay.
Ndachoka kaire ndathikira na ndaigua kwe concern sirio. Na no thimenti ina na haja ya municipality ina associations na antu baraba tuire kwithra bakirete and by involved by active citizens na bakita ngwena thirikari ingi chonde nabo bambye ko raise concerns pamoja ningwe bandiungirite nde mutongeria ja no thimenti na bambira yeito kona board ni nathurirwe ende kwebona bo tukona bauga board rere ombere nere na Francis Kiruja aumite ntora na kwa nkoune.
Alright.
Na reforma councilor tene na netherete mutongeria ntoreje
iko arena board ere aritaka former governor.
Former governor.
Alright.
Era rande ko representation ko proposal. Iko ana marete umite majengo orawe mukari na mwana biashara aja municipality. Iko arena ringera mtonge umite shauri yako. Iko arena karagi represented the small businesses. Aja town. Iko arena onge or represented the business community. Narande iko arena Father Kaberi or represented the kanisa. Okay. Karaka ya aja.
Yes.
And but bange in one or another no one by resident kanambi ine na ku ke bodere nge no mo ake otari native oareko wa
Okay.
not to get representation but kuna natives ano kwa municipality ende kwa anto patena ange bana nokona kwa bara bejere tu ba settle ende bana kwa onja nokona ko onareba ke representer iko bat kwa kwena by large scale kwa kwena bara by native gareko une unkwero na ni nyani ndateka ndona kwa uba kuha ende tigabu na ndipo ngira ndipo japo more compelling nto petition indi na information that kwa petition ready to ke county assembly na bangi bata 14 nto sheria na change etie sheria rero ira establish board eje equator sheria ngine change rie ekwaja na mwerekera orea board members wa municipality wabati kutarwa na sheria hizi ndio getake board era anto around I think anto 9 governor and anto batano
Alright.
Pama bakadha ba CC pama bakadha ba MB na provision kwa adhurete anto 9 ende kwa kwenda bange 4 community yani resident associations icho chibati ko nominate 4 members and there are tuna associations kwa hiyo ito America Meru Munda Association kana ngeto America Meru CBO association yanto ba iriaje wata o area in association yebo so sheria ni ugite associations icho chibati uchemania igatahara mtoroka ba represent lakini baigwa baena re nonto aja Meru mzima aja ni antu bare angala 100 ke evaluation role ya Meru ukethira mtu aigo aino charity aneo freehold land eku indi oriri wa land yani oriri wa jakai commercial nukuona na lazima sauti yetu to ya ntoba tuthikiru nonto waeta nkubu waeta mawa waeta timao anto barira botike bakorea no kuigwa nonto ejira ndino erekana in municipality but aja itobati kubati sauti kino nto kwa residents rande bakiona rande ongeja ora kiwa akite ora thina thina nonto ariugai town etari kurirai rate indi kwa onja aterira andi tukwenda bakwenda na ngite kaneri abo lazima kwena representation tumeje temenya ke bodera toreo na zaidi sheria idhingatirwe nonturandi nomination age nyoka kai yakakura na misinformation kire appointing authority that sheria ne change it sheria ije ne kuga kinya professionals baraba municipality ko bat ko da na representation na rito rire bat kumake professional bodies kwena LSK guku kwena association ya association ya surveyors kinya tuingo to ke Economic Society of Kenya ira ina membership aja kwena Ice Park kwena members ba Ice Park so I think kire jau kugambera indra onaga listira governor proposed kepwa and out of all these other considerations kairing corner that is not the right direction na beseech our governor na adhikire residents baja iba kirete petition kirende na county assembly na batete ibachoete legal redress kenda pomba kuiki kanwa nonto plight yao na right yao kwethra very represented ariabo aja batu tutea biashara aja inja sometimes we may not even be doing business in Jatori.
Okay, kuna mtukuri aza mgeni yako DCP ama kwa serikali muchokere kyo mbere tuta
ninde independent
kire kyo kenge
ni inyankiro amba giteka mubunge na rombra ndi independent candidate na munkadha hii persuade tonya zaidi a movement agency na ndi patron a Meru Youth Council and I work with very many young people na movement ya kwa na karunga ma agency tukadha tore na kedho ndi face the young leadership that we tukwenda aja Kenya na aja North na aja Meru na on that basis in the partyless.
All right. Thank you. Tugera ile mantuzaga zeki maandamano kana turi kina tu. Wednesday kana ntuko ya ntariki 25 uko expected to kudira kuri na kana igo tumiri tuna boga ukadira kuri na maandamano na kurikana kinyora kwa ari last year. Ogwa ore a youth patron nodiro to ninya last year no rekire maandamano jaja, right? What do you think of 25th? Nata ukuona kana nata omba inyoke area the young people outside there braba bago tegera kagitana kaka pengine uge bwaku as a youth leader, youth patron umba kopera atea concerning this day, concerning such stuff.
25th June a monumental day. Na nende guru nende inauru. Tuarikana tuumete twe peaceful. Untoningwa maandamano jondo jaitwa Meru ndareo. Tukiumaga tukimanyaga that weapons chetu chiare constitution message ira tugaga smartphone bendera na power social media ira yombaga gutudo kwathania.
Yes.
Atukoma tukimanya watoto tongereti. Indi tukamenya tutongerete ni uma na kioto. Tukama tukenyaga tutongeretwe I clama ekwithirwa finance bill ira yejete kuongera murigo kire Kenya ikwandi. Na twathie very successful na tukimobilize na in the entire country very successful. Monka thirikari ambia kuithio kutokona kithia kairia.
Okay.
Ambia kufund goons. Ambia kufund kuvuruga. Kuringa tiagas. Tena tuna petition tobati ku present. Tukarigiro go to present petition against Article 37 in the Constitution. And on day tariki 25 mwaka juju ito wenda ku reflect. Until after that, after period after last year, finance bill ne kiroende kambe ma minister ebunjwa kwenda kuna broad based government ito kwenda kuchuria kedera the lives we lost they count for something. So it is about remembrance. You can together to carry a candlelight. Now all these will be in whatever style mtu akwenda. We can do it on social media. We can go out physically.
Right.
We can converge somewhere. And to tutamba kwa area mantuja kureta youth bond in one location. Baraba maoa na badidi, baraba lare e badidi. Baraba kubo e badidi. When a right expression of we lost life. Kere toria orambo ndekire kuria kairi. Was there justice? Yeah. On Turande wake up call and people cannot die na tokira. We need to know whether I'll be there. No young people killed another young person. Those 65 went down on bullet, kana on abduction, kana disappearance. No kona. Ba we barara andi bandeto jeje kene na kwena pangi tutukumenya. So to churie bullet, each bullet did it count for justice. No watero. Turenda kuigwa na askari bangana kana perpetrators. Baba ntajaja bendene. Those are the questions.
All right.
Na people will come out. They will organize themselves kuringa raba kuigwa and they will present petitions.
Okay.
Kinyani ngwa aja miru mbeterete kuona kedera we will be mobilized as well. Na kinyare arengi tutaiji tutamenyaga atwaragia tukachat away forward.
All right.
And then we will still do this. In what fashion we shall do it on 25th, but it shall be peaceful. Or weapon chetu ikawa chiba do smartphone.
All right.
Ikawa bendera ya Kenya.
Okay.
Na katiba ya Kenya. Tukaidha manto jonde within the law, the rule of law.
All right. Rotero Facebook aruga Eric Kaberia following live. Thank you so much. Akauga Dominic Mogambi aruga tuko pamoja. Ibwaga sana kirotero SMS. Aruga thank you so much. Thank you so much for mentioning my mentor. Father Kaberia is the best priest we have. Asking Governor Mutuma to consider Father Kaberia again. Yeye ndiye utetea injili. Aruga Magdalene from Majei. Ngotike majengo kugera. Ibwaga sana Magdalene. Tokere keria bru Eric kiriga kwa kemuthia. Tomorrow ngethana ndina commissioner wa IPOA aja rukiri. As a youth patron no mbende umpakiuria kukimwe kirang ukwenda muri tomorrow. The IPOA officers before maandamano jaje rigiri kuthora jara on tariki 25 as a youth patron nkwenda umpa one question representing the youths kira batera bomba muri antukwe rosho perika
Ibwaga mono nkubura mono pakeja
yes
kanya nika tuned in
all right
kuria kira kwenda muri yiki muri bwana commissioner commissioner independent police oversighting authority 1 year since the Gen Z revolt. Na askari bora ire Gen Z bara how many cases have you concluded? Right. How many have you prosecuted. Now to the economist and I believe in numbers. We have counted in absolute terms number of lives lost. Then that in absolute terms, how many officers have been prosecuted and account poor? How many officers have been, any case concluded and they're serving a term somewhere? Na kaire kia mwicho, and today we are mourning Ojwang. Murie, how many police officers they are investigated? Nonto in court, it appeared Barbara Baki investigator akikukia yani urai kuna tena wake sheria batekere tu baba tukudina watu badina askari so ndana kumenya absolutely nonto if the police oversight authority the independent police oversight authority rero gitangu yore agirike katiba Kenya rero a progress table not democratically Tuwa tumenya nya cases zira police kinyabo pare very active adai tutungo toki lobeaga pongero mpecha ki budget not every day there is an issue on police issue on police brutality kuna issue of police corruption tuna issues nyingi bono kinyani ngo this weekend ita na issues na police no kona but utena compel tukomba kwa compel na wemba kwa kama weta ki aipo gatetheka Ukona turenda mono as young people kwethero aitwingwa and our friend should be a poor tubati kwethorande batu atukuma tukiuga increase funding for IPOA every day Kenyans wako face injustice under the arms of the police Ojaorea fellow Kenyans are facing injustice in the hands of fellow Kenyans natoka meatoketa kimbio kia askari ito kuenderande kuithirwa any instance kinyeke thika nini wethirwa no kuwa police atira activaga toketa kia IPOA so IPOA should be a robust nyanto kia riwa to gutetera IPOA independence yao ni wao no kibwao ni legitimacy yao independence yao ni power yao So if they are independent, they would be the most popular government agency. Area a Kenya bomba kwa associate new. Na kedwa chekete our governance, our country into now towards a thriving, peaceful, cohesive, safe haven. Era tombarande wikia ochumi bwa tombere.
All right. Thank you. Aruga Mr. Boniface, kwa atoma message ya kuno ntukere kioria, because current tutomba kuthira tukijuke mo yaku, aruga ni atushiki simu Mr. Boniface, kuthira kioria, umbe kuthira gituma ki WhatsApp kana SMS. Thank you so much. Uge bakuma muthia, Eric Peko.
Uge bakuma muthia, rambo chokere nkatho ntubakanya kaka, tuamba kuthatu watanera mwaka ke mwana mutegeri wa Meru TV na bendere ko encourage mtu wande warari mumero warari and ko thora very active tugakira tui katiba yetu 2010 ne tuete kanya ko thora participate in the public participation in manzio kareka and zaidi tu kana ya independently tukajukua na mirumo Kile kebia mabia political party tugete oni no mbedo ndena madhogana twete ni ajo na karunga made independent candidate kino ndo katiba 2010 yugete mtu no areke kurunga mana kiama kwa to eberia manto ja political party flock mentality iraja tomete Gen Z bo mera 2024 nonto abunge baitore parliamentary group pero ringenies Paringas. Torenda to disjoint. Tuederwe ato bogere branda kudikira ntu kembithi. Ndi patron na gita na ntu babethi. idea yetu partyless na ndito ko define turuga partyless ikuwa you can support any party you support party eje nationally Nairobi baraba kwa president or support wenga party nge governor na matseja ko tokiri anniversary Gen Z to honor our fallen young people na clarion call yao partyless na tribeless leaderless but tu ndio tokichuma area na tuena madogano chamo let us lead each other to achieve aspirations ira cha Gen Z partyless na tribeless hiyo ni ora ndema clarion call especially hii 25th June anniversary ya maandamano ya last year.
Right. Thank you so much. Aruga Mavrin Kaumbudhu, Ruga watching live from Kobo, Mekombo, thank you so much. Ibaga sana na ntubako drori na batu. Kuga show nzuri sana. Nashukuru Mungu county ilichukuliwa na governor Mutuma. We are at peace. Ibaga sana. Thank you so much. Barabo ante bedro tabare na bahati. Na thank you so much Eriko.
Thank you very much.
Kudhoeru kironaru na ingo tukatoka ta number na kudhoja na kutegera what is happening. Oge to update na oge to manyithia mantu kinyaje gikundi kya youth council. Irato dire tukithinga tahira nika na tomanya mwerekera zayo urachukethirwa juke karaga. Ibaga sana mutegeri nkethira ngegutika garutera ruronge nikenda ugathirwa okionaga guchokero kwa mubango jwa rumero rwa siasa mubango jurajurari ntuku yegoro aria njeriwa cheupe arari na bamwe batongeria gutigira niba kuthuja na gutagera manto jage siasa omwa mutongeria ari kuma nara central imenti na nkuruki atongeria bangi barari gutigira niba gukotariria ko kethira kidogo nura kurukiri mubango jugo tuko okethira okijona gakagite ne gaka ntwarikiria mubango jatu turinge ime aja ndene ya Meru TV okare Eric mwirigi ndene ya mubango turinge ime ni economist ni mudhojwa siasa na mutongero wa mbeo mbithi na nkuruki kinyana thiretwe aki romba gitike no thimenti kire kithirano kithiru gitike mujumbe. Thank you so much Pedro ngikondagira kagita kega.